How to stop iPhone from auto. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to find the General option and tap on it. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone. Inside the General menu, scroll down and tap on the Keyboard option. On the keyboard screen, look for autocorrection and turn off the toggle switch next to it. Disabling the feature will stop automatically changing words it thinks are misspelt. Whatever characters you type will remain exactly as you entered them. Following these steps, you can easily stop your iPhone from auto. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.